Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a completely different kind of video today as opposed to the shorts I've been doing recently, and we are today going to be doing an unboxing. And as you can probably see by this, I got something from Hermes. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. What do we have here? We'll have to wait 2 minutes to find out. And also, when leaving the shop, they actually gave us some free samples as well. And we're going to get into this. And let's see if I can take this. Everybody ready for the reveal? In 3, 2. This is a nice felt-like material. I really like that. And we have the Kelly double toe with rose gold hardware in rose Azalee. And now I'm going to be inserting some clips here so you can see what it looks like on the wrist. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, of this unboxing of the Kelly double toe. Here's another angle of the bracelet itself. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments what you actually think of the bracelet itself. Would you pick this colour? Would you pick a different colour? I'd love to know. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.